Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lesher. So we're going to be making some street corn soup today. I've seen this go viral on TikTok, so I knew you'd probably like this one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our oil to our pan. And we're just going to coat the bottom of the pan like that with oil. Not too much. We're going to add our onion. We're going to add our jalapeno. And we're just going to let those saute for a little bit until they're nice and soft. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some chopped garlic. Now I always buy my garlic pre-chopped because it's just way easier that way. So I'm just going to add a spoonful of garlic. And I like to add a little bit of the oil as well. Then I'm going to add some oregano. I'm going to add some chili powder. And I'm just going to stir that until it's combined. Then I'm going to add 2 chicken breasts. And I'm going to let those cook for just a minute, and then I'll flip them over and add some broth. Okay, so now I'm going to add the chicken broth. It's 4 cups that go straight into the bowl. Okay, and we're going to let that come to a boil. So now we're boiling, so we're going to just turn it down to medium-low heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes while our chicken cooks. Okay, so we're going to take our chicken out now that it's fully cooked, and we're going to place it on our cutting board. And we're just going to turn this down to low so that it simmers while we are shredding our chicken so it stays nice and warm. We're going to shred this one the old-fashioned way, so we're just going to take a fork and start to pull the chicken apart. Okay, so we're just going to add this right back into our pot. And we're going to give that a quick stir, just kind of to combine all of our chicken. So now we're going to add 1.5 cups of sour cream to our mixture. And we're also going to add a cup of shredded cheese. You can use Colby Jack or you can use Mexican. And we're just going to stir that until combined. And we're also going to add our frozen corn. I like to get the roasted fire corn instead of the regular frozen corn because it gives it that nice grilled flavor, but you can use the regular corn as well. Go ahead and dump that in. So we're going to let that simmer for a couple minutes, and while we're doing that, we're going to make a little slurry of cornstarch and water. So it's 3 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. All right, and we're just going to add that right into our pot, and it's going to simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're ready to serve it, so we're just going to take a big scoop with our ladle, place it in the bowl, and then we can serve it with some tortilla chips and some shredded cheese on top. And if you want more sour cream, you can always add that as well. There you go, and enjoy. On behalf of RCTV and Springford, we want to remind you to always wash your hands and clean all surfaces prior to cooking. Have a great day.